Hello, this is Go Math, Chapter 6, Lesson 3. We're on page 404. Today's pink box is quite large. It is talking about how to add the traditional way. So we have our two numbers, 246 plus 117. And they've got this in this great little chart with the hundreds here, the tens here, and the ones here. And there's a box up here like this. Okay. From before lessons, we have drawn these numbers out. So a quick picture of 246 looks like this. That's 200, 4 tens, and 6 ones, 100, 110, and 7 ones. Okay. And the first question we're going to ask is going to add the ones. So the ones are here. We have 6 plus 7. So 6 plus 7, we know, is equal to 13. Okay, so when we add the ones together, we see there's 13. What they've showed us is that this 5 plus this 5 will equal a new 10. Okay, and they showed us by that circles and stuff. And so they showed us in the sample that put the 3 down here, and that new 10 we just drew goes up here in the new tens box. Okay, then after we added the ones, we're going to add the tens. Okay, this is all in the pink box. So we have 110 plus 4 tens plus 1 10 is equal to 6 tens. And so they put a 6 in the answer up here. Then we're going to add the hundreds. And we have 200s plus 100 equals 300s, and they put the 3 here. So our total answer is 362. Okay, this is the traditional way that we've all learned how to add and subtract. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to do number 1 together. Okay, we have our hundreds box, our tens box, and our ones box. And then we have 328 plus 134 equals, remember guys, that long line at the bottom is the equal sign. And they have given us a box up here in the tens space. This may mean or may not mean we have to regroup. Okay, we'll have to see. So like our sample, we're going to start the ones. Our ones is here. 8 ones plus 4 ones is 12 ones. So we don't write 12 down here. We write the 2 down here for the 12, and the 1 goes up in this box, just like we did in our sample here. Okay. Now we have the tens. We have 1 10 plus 2 tens plus 3 tens is equal to, that's 6 tens. We write 6. And we have 300s plus 100 equals 400s, which is 4. So we have 462. And you can see here we did a very good job of recording when we carried that 1 from the 12 over here in the tens column. The 110, I mean.